Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of This versus That. Last week I had the opportunity to travel to Chicago with some friends of mine to participate in the Chicago 5K. So during packing, I was going back and forth of what shoes to bring, clothes, and then the most important thing is what gear to bring to record the event. I was going back and forth from the Sony 6500 or should I go with something smaller, lightweight, like my brand new GoPro Hero 7 Black with Hypersmooth. So I was going back for a couple of days until my friend texted me. He said, hey, check out the weather in Chicago. And I did, and guess what? It was going to rain the whole entire weekend. So right then and there I picked the GoPro 7 because it is waterproof, and also it gives me the opportunity to test out the Hypersmooth, see if the Hypersmooth is really that good, is it gimbal killer, or if it's just hype. So I'm gonna show you some footage from my trip, and just a disclaimer, it was filmed at 2.7K 60 frames per second with Hypersmooth. Alright guys, I hope you like that footage from the GoPro 7 with Hypersmooth on. Leave a comment down below. Tell us what you think. Is the Hypersmooth as good as they say it is? Is it a gimbal killer? As my friends say, it's really buttery smooth. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so. And as always, we will catch you on the next one.